What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing the Torque Solutions pitch stop mount onto the WRX. From the videos that I've watched, I have to remove the intercooler, so it's going to be this 12mm bolt. Obviously, the couplers to the intercooler, you got another 12mm, two more on this side, another coupler right here, and then you see you have to wiggle it out going this way, and they say that side's the hardest to get out. And then in my situation, I also have to remove my strut bar because it is in the way. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so now I have all the bolts removed. I have that little brace removed that went to the intake manifold to the intercooler. I have the other two 12mm bolts that were on top. Strut bar is removed, and I did loosen up these little couplings right here, and now it should be time to pull off the intercooler, and I'll remove it and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so now I do have the top mount intercooler off. From the videos that I've watched, they said this side is kind of a pain in the ass to take out, but for me personally, it was really the driver's side that was pretty hard to take out. But yeah, got that out. Now let's mess with the pitch stop mount and let's get it swapped out for the Torque Solution one. Alright, so here is the old pitch stop mount. As you can see, it's all old and the bushing looks like it needs to be replaced already. I could already move it with my hands. Keep in mind, this is a 2017 WRX, and this is going to be the Torque Solution pitch stop mount that I'm going to be swapping in. This is a solid billet aluminum mount, so hopefully that makes a pretty big difference. Also, the bolts on the pitch stop mount were two 14mm on the bottom and a 14mm on top. And yeah, let's put this new one in. Alright, so that is going to be the end of today's install. Just make sure you guys put everything back. The way I remember to put everything back is by taking a bunch of pictures of everything you're going to be taking off. These are 8mm bolts, I forgot to mention that. Everything else is a 14 or a 12. And yeah, it's just time to test drive it. Also, I forgot to mention in the video previous to this one that I also have installed a Torque Solution short throw shifter. But once again, thank you guys for watching another one of my videos, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.